Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings, my name is Nov Ansarullah Supriyatna. I'm from Indonesia, an undergraduate mathematics student in Semarang State University. Truly an honor to stand here at the International Wali Songo Science Competition semi-final stage. Good morning, esteemed judge and audiences. Today I am going to present about application of the Leslie matrix in age-specific population growth, case study in Semarang. So why I brought up this topic? Based on Sanusi et al. 2018, population is an important asset of a region, but it should be noted that uncontrolled population growth will actually become a problem. Why is it become a problem? If the birth rate in a region increases, the government will find it difficult to ensure the welfare of the population in that region. And population growth refers to changes in the number of people in a region over a certain period of time. Population growth can be measured using various parameters, such as the number of births, death, migration, etc. And population growth can be considered an important indicator of the health, economy, social, and environmental status of a country or region. And what the model did I use for this topic? One widely used population growth model by demographers is the Leslie model created in 1914, and this model focuses on the growth of the female segment of a human or animal population, dividing female into age classes of equal length. Okay, first we will defining the Leslie matrix. In this model, the females are divided into age classes of equal duration. Suppose that the maximum age attained by any female in the population is L years, and we divide the population into n age classes. Then each class is L over n years in duration. Now suppose that we know the number of female in each of the n classes at time t equals 0. In particular, let x1 0 be the number of females in the first class, x2 0 females in the second class, and so forth. With these n numbers, we form a column vector. Is the column matrix like this. X0 is the column matrix, x1 0, x2 0 until xn 0. And we call this as the initial age distribution vector. Next, define AI as the fertility rate, that is the average number of daughters born to each female during the time she is in the age class with AI greater than or equal 0, as I run from 1 to until n. And define BI as the survival rate, that is the probability that individuals in age class I will survive to age class I plus 1 with 0 less than BI less than or equals 1 as I run from 1 to until n minus 1. At time tk, the females in the first age class are just those daughters born between times tk minus 1 and tk. We can write it x as this equation. And the females in the I plus 1 age class, as I run from 1 to until n minus 1 at time tk, are those females in the it class at time tk minus 1 who are still alive at time tk. Thus, we have this equation xi plus 1k equals bi xi k minus 1 as I run from 1 until n minus 1. And using matrix notation, we can write both equation as like this. This is the column matrix equals the square matrix times column matrix. Or more compactly, we can write it as xk equals lxk minus 1, where L, the square matrix, n times n, where the entries are A1, A2, A3, and so on, is the Leslie matrix. Next, we will talk about eigenvalue and eigenvector of Leslie matrix. Here are two theorems from Anton et al. 2019. The first theorem is existence of a positive eigenvalue. A Leslie matrix L has a unique positive eigenvalue lambda 1. This eigenvalue has multiplicity 1 and eigenvector x1, all of whose entries are positive. And the next theorem is about eigenvalues of a Leslie matrix. If lambda 1 is the unique positive eigenvalue of a Leslie matrix L, and lambda k is any other real or complex eigenvalue of L, then absolute value of lambda k or modulus lambda k, if it is a complex eigenvalue, less than or equal lambda 1. Next, there's a definition of dominant eigenvalue of L from Pratama et al. 2014. Let lambda 1, lambda 2 until lambda n eigenvalues of n times n Leslie matrix L, and lambda 1 is called dominant eigenvalue of L if lambda 1 greater than absolute value or modulus lambda k as k run from 2 until n. Then, three cases arise according to the value of the positive eigenvalue lambda 1. The first one is the population is eventually increasing if lambda 1 greater than 1. The population is eventually decreasing if lambda 1 less than 1. And the population is eventually stabilizing if lambda 1 equals 1. Okay, next is case study. The number of female population in Semarang is grouped by age in 2020 to 2021, and the number of children born in 2020 until 2021 is calculated based on the ASFR estimate as shown in the following table. So I get this table is from BPS Central Java, which is the number of female population in Semarang that group by age 0 until 4, 5 until 9, and so forth. And the next following table is a table of fertility rates AI and survival rates BI of the female population in Semarang 2020 until 2021, which is this table. And this AI BI is calculated based on ASFR or age-specific fertility rate estimate as we mentioned it before. And now we will determine the number of female populations in Semarang for the years 2022 to 2024 and analyze the population growth for the future. So for the solution to that case study, we will identify the Leslie matrix. And the Leslie matrix for that problem is this matrix. This is a square matrix of 14 times 14 where the first row is the AI and this is the BI. Okay, so since we will determine the number of female population from 2022 until 2024, we set the initial age distribution factor is the number of female population in 2021. That is x0 is the column matrix where this is the number of female population in 2021. Since we need to determine the number of female population in 2022 until 2024, so that for the population in 2022 we will find x1, and for the population in 2023 we will find x2, and for the population in 2024 we will find x3. To determine the xk for k x1, x2, x3, we use the formula xk equals lxk minus 1. And then using Excel, we get this for x1, x2, and x3. This is the population in 2022, 2023, and 2024. And to analyze the female population growth in Semarang, we will find the positive eigenvalue of Leslie matrix L. The characteristic equation of L is a determinant of lambda I minus L equals 0, and we get this characteristic equation. This is the polynomial characteristic of degree 14, and therefore we get the eigenvalues are these. These are the eigenvalues of L. So based on eigenvalues of a Leslie matrix theorem and definition of dominant eigenvalue of L, we found that lambda 1 is the positive and dominant eigenvalue. And since we have the positive and dominant eigenvalue that is lambda 1 equals 0.783 in which it is less than 1, therefore the female population growth in Semarang is eventually decreasing. So maybe that is all my project video. Here are my references to make this project successfully. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.